Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to edit Shopify email templates. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to myshopify.com. Once you are here, click on the gear icon on the lower left that says Settings. Once you are in Settings, the next step is to scroll down and then look for Notifications. It has a bell icon. Once you do that, go to Customize Email Templates. Then click on the button below. Once you are here, you will now get a preview of your email templates. In here, in this window, specifically, you will have the option to edit it. In here, you can customize your email by your choice. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.